It's a happy Monday right here at FX Caprara Harley Davidson, FX Caprara Honda. When you're talking about having two of the best motorcycles all at one great location, they're all here. But not just motorcycles. When you're looking for an ATV, a scooter, a snowmobile, a side-by-side, or the best selection of Hallmark and Royal trailers, they're all here. It's one-stop shopping. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take you around the store. We're going to have you view some of the great products. When you're looking for a sled, look at these. If you're looking for a motorcycle, look at these. How about the best selection of trailers? They're all here. Take your time, tour the store this Monday right here at FX Caprara.